Hey, Brian, so we've talked about why we need life insurance. We've talked about the different types, talked about how much we need. And we've sort of already admitted that we love term insurance. Well, the fact that it goes away might suggest that there's a period of time where we don't need life insurance. And so we want to talk about when are the times that you actually don't need life insurance. We've already said that you have an insurable need on your life when there are other people that depend on you. Well, for most of us, when we are young, when we're starting out in our careers, we don't have a spouse, we don't have debts, we don't have any kids. There aren't people depending on us. So I would argue that early on in your life, early on in your adult life, you probably don't need to go out and buy life insurance.
And now I am letting policies go away. Just like we showed you, there's that declining need.
Well, there's still a life insurance term policy in place that looks like it goes out till about 51. But it is so important, Brian. We would argue in this scenario, this person, this client could either cancel the policy or, more likely, since they bought the policy likely 20 years ago, it's super inexpensive, continue to pay it out until term. It's like most things in your financial life, when you build up to a certain level of financial security, you get to make decisions around preference, not just around necessity. Yeah. We get fun and it's exciting talking about Roth IRAs and 401ks and building to financial independence. So in our opinion, it makes sense to go with the most effective and cost-effective means of getting it in place, getting term coverage in place to satisfy your insurable need, and then move on to the rest of your wealth building journey. We've both been there. We've lost loved ones and we've been advisors to clients who've lost loved ones. When that life insurance policy that paid out, it was the lifeline. It was the thing that stepped in to help bridge a gap from a very difficult stage in life. So it's not something you need to neglect. Don't be someone in that 37% of folks who have young kids in the house that does not have adequate and appropriate life insurance coverage. Do it, knock it out, get it in place, and then move on with the rest of your wealth building journey.
Yeah.